I creep slow. Everybody see me, take these hoes, shoot them like free throws. Everybody, I'm genie. Niggas see how I go. Yes, the flow is inventing a new sentence. What the fuck do they
This is a
thinking?
Big Homie production.
Yes, sir, it's me, topic. No, sir, it ain't no stopping. My collar has hydraulics. Know me, I'm flyer, higher above the clouds. Check me out, I'm wild. Okay, see, that's where I be. 918. Frequently, everybody look at me and say I look like a genie, but no, you can't see me. Yeah, that boy's G'd up, polo head to toe. What the fuck is the dude on the horse? Hold up, power source. Niggas don't want none. I come through with the gun, I blast and don't you know it ain't no laughing. I got the 40 cal on my side. Nigga, when I ride, come through and don't you know I'm like super speed. Don't you know me? The need for speed is DOG. It's me. Topic on the scene, baby. Give me room, stay into my television show is coming soon. These niggas act a fool, they look like cartoons. Matter of fact, I'll never slacking shit. Matter of fact, I'll get your bitch.
Yo, now let's start it off with no intro. Holy ho, I'm about to go in. Where the fuck is my flow? I got it in my brain. Niggas know about me, man. If you talking that shit, I blow out your brain like a motherfucking autopsy. Niggas know about me. You can talk that shit, nigga. Look at me, I'm a G. Niggas know about me. I'm ballin' like Bill Russell. Niggas know you cannot hustle me. Bitch, you ain't a bustle B. You can get hustle G. I'm killing your shit. Niggas know I'm a wrestler B. Call me Mr. JTG, cause I'ma always kill this shit. I'll rob you for your chain and then I'll rob you for your fucking bitch.
Alright, take a little slower, y'all. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm in your dreams like Freddy Krueger. I come creeping without the mask. Niggas, I backslip. I jump you on that fucking grass. I might run over you. Niggas throw a towel at you. I'm done with this shit. I'm going in cause I be winning shit. Nigga, all I do is hustle. Hustle and flow. I'm doing backflip 360 on your fucking hoe. Bang a fucking head. I'ma kill the shit. Your girlfriend drinking water in that Hennessy. I don't get no fuck, I'm going back in, yeah. It's turf, you better go by 8. I got steak and macaroni on my big plate. I got a big belly like 2K11 8. Fuck your girlfriend and her homie too. It's clipping in this bitch. Blues Clues. I am the shit, you are dog shit. Leave you in the ditch with your head split. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I'm killing it. I'm like Freddy Krueger and you sleeping. I run up in your house without the mask. I throw you in the grass.
No, it was.